Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct the part 14 of the toy plane assembly in Autodesk Inventor software. In this, we are going to make the holder part. I'll double click this. You can see this is a screw-like structure which has been used to club the propeller and the motor part inside. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Here we are going to take the line command. Go to line. From this center point, we are going to make a straight line. Okay, now scale. Go to line command once again. Now make one line here, make here, and one here. Escape. Go to dimension. Define this as 30. Define this as 5. And define this as 21. Go to arc command, take 3-point arc, define this arc, go to dimension, take the radius as 9 mm, go to coincident, select this point, select this and finish. Okay, finish sketch, go to revolve, profile is selected, select this as axis of rotation and press OK. Now here define the appearance. We'll take a chrome polished here, okay, and save it. Save it as part 14, okay, and this part name will be holder. Okay, save it as holder. Okay, so this will be the final out. So this was a 14th part, the holder for the complete assembly. Okay, go back to the assembly. This is the final out. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.